Hey, welcome to the show. Here we have a challenging problem for you. If you could go ahead and hit that pause button, try to figure this out. What you need to do is try to solve for y. And when you're ready to check it with me, hit the play button. All right, let's go ahead and begin. I kind of want to just separate this y to figure out my answer. Why? I don't know. No, I'm just teasing. So that's just the easy part. All right, let's get rid of the 24. So remember, whatever I do on this side, I have to do on that side. The easiest way to get rid of that 24 is to subtract it by 24. Then it just wipes it out. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. 2y plus, let's take them out, 24 minus 24 equals 36. Now remember, I put the subtraction, minus 24, and whatever I do here, I need to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to subtract that by 24. All right. So then that wipes this part out. 24 minus 24, whoosh, whoosh, and then 36 minus 24 would end up being 12 right here. So now I have 2y equals 12. Okay, sounds good. Now I want to separate that 2y, just one at y. How do I get rid of it? Get rid of the 2. That's right. Got to get rid of that 2. So it's not as easy as this one right here because I need to get rid of it by using division. Okay, so let's go ahead and use division. So I'm going to do 2y divided by 2 equals, and remember, whatever I do on this side, gotta do it on this other side. So I'm going to put 12 over here divided by 2. So what happens is these little guys get taken out, and then 12 divided by 2 ends up being 6. So now I have y all by itself. Yay! I'm by myself again. So then I have y equals 6. And you're like, okay, I'm not sure if that's right. Well, let's go ahead and just put that into our formula. So I have, right here is 2y plus 24 equals 36. And we're going to put 6 in place of the y. Now remember, why did we do this right here in, with division and not subtraction? Because when I have these two together, they are multiplied. So I'll show you why. Look at that. 2, and I'm going to put the 6 in there. 2, and I'm putting the 6, plus 24 equals 36. Do you see that? 2 times 6. All right? So that's why I needed to use division. So I have 2 times 6 would be 12, plus 24 equals 36, and 12 plus 24, that's 36. So 36 equals 36. All right. Hey, I hope that helped. It was kind of fun to do, wasn't it? Hey, I hope you're having a great day out there. I'd sure appreciate it if hit that subscribe button up there. I'm trying to make 1,000 subscribers on this channel, and I'm getting really close. And the likey button. Check out my other channels. I have an outdoor channel. I have the Lample Film channel with a lot of cool stuff on it. And I hope you are having one cool, fun, safe day. Adios. Goodbye. Draw a little sun right there. Okay. Talk to you later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.